Quick match analysis, let's get straight to it. And this was an insane game, as it only took 5 minutes for Haaland to hit the post after a brilliant pass from Foden. He should have made it 1-0. Then in the 16th minute, Haaland scores after a cross in from Doku and a brilliant dummy from Reinders. 1-0 City. Then 20 minutes later, Reinders makes it 2-0 after Haaland has a brilliant piece of hold-up play, who then slots Reinders through, leaving him 1v1 with the keeper, and he makes it 2-0 City. Then at the 43rd minute, Foden puts one in the top corner after Leno has a weak punch out from a corner. 3-0 City. Then only 3 minutes later, Smith Rowe gets one back for Fulham to make it 3-1 after a brilliant cross in from Harry Wilson, which is then followed by a fantastic header by Smith Rowe. And that was it for the first half. Second half started, and immediately at the 47th minute, Foden makes it 4-1 to City. Then only 6 minutes later, Fulham have a defensive mistake which Doku takes advantage of, and he takes a shot which gets deflected into the top corner. 5-1 City. Then only 3 minutes after that, Iwobi makes it 5-2 Fulham, putting one in the bottom corner. And at this point, the momentum is on Fulham's side. The City are struggling to contain them until the 69th minute when Haaland's header hits the post. Then 2 minutes later, Chukwueze makes it 5-3 when he rifles his shot into the bottom corner. Then 6 minutes later, at the 77th minute, Chukwueze makes it 5-4 after putting his shot again in the bottom corner. Then 20 minutes later, Josh King gets played through. He gets his shot past the keeper, and then his shot gets cleared off the line by Variol to keep it 5-4 City. And that was it for the match. What a fantastic game. Now to speak on a couple players, shout out to Chukwueze for making a difference coming on in the second half. City was struggling to contain Chukwueze. He was all over the pitch, full of energy, very eager to make things happen. That was a top quality performance from him today despite the loss. Bernardo Silva, I don't know how he played 98 minutes. He was the worst player on the pitch by far. Shocking performance from Bernardo Silva. Pep is taking off all the other players, Reinders, Foden, Doku, and Bernardo Silva is still on the pitch. This makes no sense. It's as if Pep was almost trying to lose this game or drop points, because Bernardo Silva was the weak point in this team today. Haaland scored, but he should have had a hat-trick. Reinders, this was his second best performance this season after his Wolves performance. Despite his goal, he was trying to make things happen. He was involved a lot more in the game. And this is what I want to see from Reinders moving forward. Not this passive play that he's been doing in all of his previous matches except the Wolves match. But I think City's defense needs to improve drastically. This is unacceptable. They were majority of City's mistakes. Lack of defensive urgency, no real eagerness to keep it tight when Fulham have the ball. Poor marking on the corners. It was just very poor from City today from a defensive aspect. Midfield-wise, they got ran all over the place. Again, Bernardo Silva, and I'm very concerned for this team to see how they progress during the season, because if this is how they'll continue to defend, I see a lot more teams scoring a lot more goals. But anyway, that's it. Like and comment, sub for more.